Hi everyone, welcome to the latest episode of Taste of America virtual baking series. Today I'm super excited as I'm going to be using a lovely produce which has been provided to us by our friends at the Oregon Hazelnut. So today I'm going to make a decadent gluten-free brownie with the Oregon hazelnuts. So I'm super excited. Sit back, relax, enjoy and join me while I make this amazing recipe. So I'm going to first start with melting my chocolate. I'm going to first start cutting it. I'm taking a 60% chocolate. You can use any dark. I personally love this one. So just going to chop the chocolate. So I'm just going to cut them as small as possible. I'm going to melt this with my butter. I'm using regular salted butter. You can use unsalted also if you like. So the faster it's going to melt if your chocolate is cut into smaller pieces, that's what I want to do. So I'm going to put it all into my bowl, and on a double boiler we're going to start melting our butter and our chocolate. So I'm just going to put in our chocolate inside, and I have another bar to cut. So I'm taking 200 grams of around 60% dark chocolate. So I'm going to add the butter to that. And the butter and the chocolate is just going to melt together. This is a double boiler that I've taken. It's a smaller bowl with little water. So you can actually microwave your chocolate and butter together also. But whenever you put it in the microwave also, just keep stirring it continuously. But I kind of like this one because, I don't know, the melting of chocolate and butter together is kind of therapeutic for me. So my chocolate and my butter has beautifully melted. I'm going to put that aside now, and we're going to move on to beating our eggs and sugar. First I'm going to start with my sugar into the bowl. And to that I'm going to add a little bit of my vanilla extract. And we're going to start beating that till it's really nice, light, fluffy and like a custard. So now my chocolate and butter mixture needs to go into the egg mixture. You need to ensure that it's not very hot. So while it was kept aside, the temperatures come down, but it still has to be in the melted stage. Yeah. So I'm just checking in the temperature, stirring it around, and gently I'm going to fold it into my egg mixture, and we're going to gently fold it as a figure of 8. I'm just going to show you that. So like a figure of 8, I'm just gently folding it in. I don't want to remove all the air that's incorporated. If you want a lovely crust on your brownie, that's what you want. You want to beat the eggs till they're nice and fluffy like a custard, and that's going to give you that beautiful crust that you deserve on the top, and a nice fudgy layer in the center. That is a decadent brownie. Not to forget, that's a decadent gluten-free hazelnut, Oregon hazelnut brownie. And I'm sure you guys can't wait to try this. Did you know that 99% of the hazelnut produced in the US are produced in the Oregon state on the west coast of USA? This nut not only satisfies your cravings, but it fuels your day too. So now I'm going to add my hazelnut flour. As I told you, I'm making a gluten-free brownie. The hazelnut flour is going to make my brownie decadent and gluten-free. This is one of the latest produce of USA that's going to come very soon into India. So I'm going to add some cocoa powder to the hazelnut flour and just give that a nice mix. Did you know that the Oregon hazelnuts have a lot of health benefits? Approximately 30 kernels of hazelnuts per day can actually reduce a lot of risk of cardiovascular disease. So now that it's mixed in, I'm just going to fold that into the brownie mixture. Get that all in. And you cannot, trust me, get a more decadent brownie than this one. And then again, very gently, we're just gonna fold that in. And now I'm gonna add some more crushed hazelnuts as well. So the Oregon hazelnuts are really rich in antioxidants, folate, magnesium, and vitamin E. So now that the mixture is ready, I'm gonna put it into my baking tin. So what I've lined it is with this parchment paper. I prefer to use the brown one because it's nice and thick. All we need to do is pour the batter in. So I'm just gonna add some more chopped hazelnut on top. Like I said, you know, this nut not only satisfies your cravings but fuels your energy. So some more fuel for us. Just lining it up. And then I'm gonna bake this at 170 degrees for a good 25 minutes because I want it to be nice and fudgy. So off it goes to the oven. So now that my brownie is baked, I'm going to get it out of the tray. You can see how fudgy that's turned out. Beautiful. So I'm sure you're going to love this decadent recipe. Thank you, Oregon Hazelnut, for this wonderful produce. And you guys, thank you so much for watching in and joining us. Keep watching and follow me as well as Taste of America, and lots and more recipes coming your way with this wonderful produce.